Today, motivational story is based on karma. This is the story of two brothers, an elder brother and a younger brother, who were completely opposite in nature. The elder brother believed that people should be helped. One should have a spirit of service. One should behave in the best way and donate whenever one gets the chance. The younger brother believed that life comes only once, so he should live it fully. Whatever you feel like doing, you should do it. Be it drugs, going to a dance bar, or anything else that makes you happy, you should do it. Both the brothers were living their lives according to their respective beliefs. The elder brother could barely survive with whatever he earned because he helped others whenever he got the chance. He would go to listen to satsang and meditation. He tried to live as simple as life as possible. The younger brother would earn more money in the wrong way and fulfill his every wishes. He would go to the dance bar, drinking alcohol and smoking cigarette, enjoy as much luxuries as possible. The elder brother often tried to convince his younger brother to change his way of lifestyle. Whatever he is doing is not good deeds, but the younger brother would not listen to him and instead asked the elder brother to change his way of life. Both of them continue living within their own way without listening to each other. One day, while the elder brother was returning the home, a thorn entered his slipper. He tore the slipper and entered his foot. He felt great pain. The pain was so much that he was not able to even walk properly. But somehow, limping and bearing the pain, he reached the home. After reaching home, he was unable to stand at all. He was feeling very thirsty, but the pain was so much that he could not muster the courage to even take a glass of water. So now the elder brother started waiting for the arrival of the younger brother. After some time, the younger brother came to home. He had a big smile on his face and looked very happy. As soon as the elder brother saw the younger brother, he asked him for water. The younger brother gave cold water to the elder brother and asked him what happened. The elder brother told that a thorn had entered his foot. Younger brother said to elder brother, "Look, you live such a simple and truthful life. What did you get in returns? And see how happily I live my life. That's why today I got this diamond necklace on the way." The circumstance of both of us prove that my way is right and your way is wrong. The elder brother was very upset, yet he started explaining to the younger brother whether his method was correct or wrong. Elder brother was saying that my method is correct, but maybe there is something with wrong. So we do this that tomorrow we both will show our respective horoscope to the astrologer. Only he will tell what is the problem. The astrologer he was talking about was a very famous astrologer. None of his predictions were wrong. The younger brother was very happy after getting the diamond necklace, so he also agreed to go with the elder brother to show his horoscope. Next morning, both the brother reached the astrologer with their respective horoscope. Elder brother showed his horoscope to astrologer. As soon as they saw that horoscope, the astrologer said, "Oh God, whose horoscope? Who is the unfortunate person? He must be dead by now." The elder brother did not say anything, and then The horoscope of the younger brother was given to the astrologer for reading. When the astrologer saw his horoscope, the astrologer happily said that it is very good horoscope. Rajajog is written in it. He must have become a ministry by now. After showing both the horoscope, both the brother told the astrologer that both the horoscope were there and his prediction was totally wrong. Because neither the elder brother had died nor has the younger brother become a minister. The astrologer told both of them that I can't be wrong in reading the horoscope. Yes, if your karma is like this, then what is the written in your horoscope can definitely change. The astrologer learned from the past, first from the elder brother and last from the younger brother, about his way of life and how he works. While explaining to both of them, the astrologer said that the horoscope ready for me is not wrong. It is the good deeds of the elder brother who gives him only the pain of a throne instead the death written in the horoscope. And on the other hand, the younger brother has bad deeds due to Rajjog failed and he got only a small diamond necklace which he will soon sell and finish it. Friend, a small motivational story reminds that if our past is good or bad, it is because of our past action, and whatever our future will be good or bad will depends on our present action. Therefore, always keep in mind that do not stop doing good deeds.